Hello everyone, it's Eugene from Promptmate, and in this video I will show you how you can actually analyze your top competitors and make sure you can extract from their strategy who they are targeting as a customer persona and as a target audience. Let's say that you are an e-commerce owner, or even if you're a marketer and you know that these five brands are your top competitors in the BBQ grill niche. Let's say this is the product you're trying to advertise and these are your top competitors, uh, but you have no idea who they are targeting, who their customer persona is, and mainly who's their target audience is. And this is what Promptmate allows you to do in a matter of minutes, actually. And I will show you how. So once you are on Promptmate, the first step that you have to do is actually upload your CSV file, which basically is this one with only one column and these uh, website links of your top competitors. Once that you have uploaded the CSV file, you can click Save and Add Prompts. And to add the prompt, you can make good use of the input field, which is basically nothing else but your CSV file. And actually, as a data extender, you use again those URLs in your CSV file, which can be done by going to Add Data Extender, then clicking on Generic Content Extender. You can name it brand website, and then as a URL, you click Input Fields, and see here you can actually see what was on your CSV file, and that's what you use. In our case, this would be named this right here, BBQ brand, website content. And the file, the CSV file, will be your input fields. So the prompt is composed with these two, right? So we would say something like, based on the competitor, right, which is on the list, is analyze the URL mainly and identify 5 of their main target audiences that I can also use for my BBQ grill brand called Spollard, let's say, right? And the next thing you do is you save and test. Once you see that your query is working properly and the prompt result is working properly, what you do is go ahead and actually click Run Bulk Query. And it would look something like this. Once it's done, you would be able to actually download your query result in a CSV file, or you can just directly open on Google Sheets. Once that we open it on our Google Sheets, it would look something like this. So basically, you will have your competitor's URL as you had it in your file. For transparency, you can also look at the prompt query that we used so that you have an idea of what we were asking for, and the prompt result, which basically does exactly what we wanted. So for example, for the Napoleon.com, it says that the result is this: based on the competitor's website, the main target audience for the brand Napoleon are homeowners, outdoor enthusiasts, design conscious individuals, professionals in the industry, etc., etc. And you get this within a few minutes for each brand. And this will help you to actually compose your own customer persona and make sure to extract your target audience, and of course even differentiate in terms of being unique in the space, right, in the niche. And only with Promptmate you can get such a fast and quality result in such a short amount of time. See you in the next video.